Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you all doing well, and in this today's video I am going to discuss one of the IELTS speaking cue cards. And in this cue card I am going to discuss about the story that you can use while speaking on it. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. Okay, the topics that I've selected today is a puzzle that you played, and this was a topic that one of my student was having difficulty with, so I just thought I would make a video so that it can also help other people or students who are taking the test. Okay, so let's start. Okay, solving different kinds of puzzles was quite popular when I was a child. Even though it was never my strong suit, I did try to solve Rubik's Cube once. I remember that my mother gifted it to me on my birthday, and as soon as I saw it, I was quite excited about it because of all the colors that I could see. Eventually, I tried solving it, believing I would do that in minutes because I had seen many people doing it. However, to my surprise, even after multiple attempts, I wasn't able to bring each face in a single color. Since my siblings were also working on it, I, being quite competitive, kept on trying in order to perform better than them. My hard work paid off when I finally got it right, which was really an accomplishment for me. After that, I don't really remember playing any other game or puzzles. Recently, during the pandemic, when I was at home due to lockdown, I saw an advertisement on Instagram for this magic cube. So I bought it again, thinking my 5 years old niece would actually be spending time on it, but it didn't really happen, to be honest. Now it's rare to see children using these kind of puzzles because I think they've been replaced by mobile phones and other gadgets, and children are so much into them these days. On a positive note, these puzzles can be seen in the form of mobile phone applications. Because of that, people are again getting their hands on them, which may make them popular at present as well. So in this cue card, I tried making a very natural story, which is quite conversational. And this is what the examiner wants to check when the person is taking your test. Now let's discuss some of the phrases that I've used here. So the first one, the one that I've used is strong suit. It actually means when you are good at something that is your strong suit. So here I've used it in a negative form and I have mentioned it was never my strong suit. It means that I was not good at it. Apart from that, I've also used hard work paid off. It is again a phrase when you get a result of your hard work, and it is usually a positive result. And after that, I've used on a positive note. This is used when you are talking about something positive. And I really hope this was helpful to all of you, and I'll keep coming up with these kind of videos. Thank you for watching.